We are outside a unit located at 502 Fox Creek Crossing for a move-out inspection. And on front of this unit, this is a number tag. We're going to start with the driveway. Good condition. Garage door looks good. Screens in place, window looks good, gutters in place, roof in good condition, and right here we have the main entry door. Light is working good. Porch, good condition right here. Everything looks good. To the right hand side of the house. And at this point we consider our move out inspection in front of the building located 502 Fox Creek Crossing completed. Today is September 18, 2017. My name is Sylvie Mitre, property inspector at Excalibur Homes.